AI is the biggest tech shift in decades. But who controls it? Right now, big tech. Centralized models, closed data, expensive infrastructure. Crypto says, nah, let's make AI open. Let's make it decentralized. Welcome to AI Crypto, the supercollab that could shape the future. Decentralized compute. AI needs insane amounts of GPU power. Instead of renting from Amazon, tap into networks like Render, Akash, IO.net, and BitTensor. Power comes from the crowd, not the cloud. On-chain data markets. AI feeds on data, but most of it is locked. Crypto unlocks it, with tools like Ocean Protocol, Kaito, Allura. Smart AI agents. Imagine bots that live on-chain. They learn, trade, earn. Built by projects like Fetch AI, Singularity Net, Virtual. Alignment and ownership. Crypto adds what AI lacks: incentives, privacy, auditability. AI adds what crypto needs: intelligence, UX, utility. Together, they fix each other's blind spots. Will AI crypto dominate 2025? What's your favorite project?